The Richmond Oak Orangery was a wonderful addition. It's brought us out into the garden. We sit here very much all through the year. We can enjoy the outside, and as I'm speaking now, I can see 2 squirrels running through a tree right outside. It's done that sort of thing and brought all that we love in our garden into our house. Yeah, one wonderful feature of the Orangery is being the fact that the design and the glass used has meant that at no time, even in the hottest day in summer, is it uncomfortable. Know what you want yourself and give this information to Richmond Oak, but then listen to what they have to say. They're not a company that go into hard sell. They have great experience, and if you listen to them and work with them, they can give you a product which will keep you happy.